Let me introduce you to Ketosis Advanced. Why your diets fail. Currently, with the massive load of carbohydrates in our foods, our bodies are conditioned to burn carbs for energy instead of fat. Because it is an easier energy source for the body to use up. The problem. 1. Fat stores on the body as carbs are burned as an easy energy fuel. Essentially, we gain more weight year after year. 2. Carbs are not the body's ideal source of energy, therefore we are usually left feeling tired, stressed and drained at the end of each day. Why Ketosis Advanced works. Ketosis is the state where your body is actually burning fat for energy instead of carbs. Ketosis is extremely hard to obtain on your own and takes weeks to accomplish. Ketosis Advanced actually helps your body achieve ketosis fast and helps you burn fat for energy instead of carbs. The solution.